Hello everyone, this is Guru Prasan K from 3D Fully Design.
Here I would like to explore this T-handle socket wrench in 3D. This is made out of alloy steel. Some more pictures of the T-handle socket wrench. A brief description and information on T-handle socket wrench. I visualized its application in a car garage. Overall dimensions in mm. This is a handmade pencil drawing of a T-handle socket wrench. Approx overall dimensions in mm. Bottom hex socket cut. Material of construction alloy steel. Manufacturing processes involved. Turning, welding and rotary broaching. A brief description on standard steel rod diameters. Here I use dia 16 and dia 10 steel rods. Pre-visualizing the final 3D design with the real and actual pick. We do 2D and 3D trainings for students. First and foremost, on the front plane, let's draw a rectangle. Then added a full height dimension of 282 including the top T-handle dia of 10 mm. Then added a diameter dimension of 16 mm which is a standard steel rod diameter. Then let's form the dia 16 steel rod to a height of 272 mm to form the T-socket wrench base body. Then it has been applied with alloy steel material. Then a new sketch drawn with bottom dia of 14.8 to a height of 24 and top dia of 10 mm to begin the turning operation. A brief description on metal turning, which is a machining process, and its reference pictures. Then with metal turning, let's remove the material for a full revolution of 360 degree. Then rotating and weaving it. Then I would like to draw a new sketch on this extreme bottom face of the wrench. Drawn a new sketch which is a hexagon with a across flat dimension of 10.2 mm. Then created a hex cut to a depth of 20 mm on extreme bottom of socket wrench. In real world, this is accomplished with a rotary broach tool. Small description and a 3D picture of the rotary broach tool. Then added appropriate bevels and rounds to get rid of sharp edges. Then sketched a rectangle of dia 10 and length 150 for the top T-handle. Then formed the top T-handle which is a standard steel rod dia of 10 mm with length 150. This T-handle is being welded to the socket wrench main body with full all-round welding. You could visualize the all-round welding in 3D. A small description and reference pictures for metal welding. Then ultimately the 2D detailing is here with all standard drawing views, all dimensions required for manufacturing and related manufacturing processes involved along with applied material and mass calculated. Here I have metric 8 and metric 6 bolts in 3D, that is M8 and M6. Let's check the across flat dimension for both the bolts. For M8 bolt head, across flat dimension is 13 mm, and for M6 bolt head it is 10 mm. So mostly the T-handle suits for M6 bolt. Let's verify this in 3D. So in conclusion, this T-handle perfectly matches and fits the M6 bolt head. The final 3D model download link is provided in the description. My 3D certifications. I do 2D and 3D workshops for students. Please subscribe 3D Fully Design.